Jess, you're up, buddy.
Okay, can you see me?
There, I can't see you yet, but I hear you loud and clear. Do you want to share your screen? It's that green box. Share screen, drop down menu for you.
Okay.
If he wants to share a camera, I also allowed him to do so.
Okay.
That's okay. I mean, I don't mind showing my face, but you know what?
It's up to you. You can use your camera if you want.
Yeah.
How do I do that?
You just
start video.
Start video. Yeah.
The button that says start video.
It didn't say start video over here. You know what? Why don't I just share screens? Is that okay, guys?
Sure.
And if there's interest, I can always come back.
Yeah, you could always mail out an 8x10 glossy. All right, autograph. So I just want to introduce you, Jess. I met Jess when I was facilitating, moderating a room on FX Street called the Live Analysis Room many years ago. So, you know, Jess used to come on and, you know, share his story and, you know, what he went through and his experience, and recently has contacted me and asked if he could present what he's doing now. So just before we get going on the robots, you just want to give our viewers, attendees, and people who watch a video just a quick synopsis of your long and winding road?
I'm going to only talk about the good stuff. All right, Dale?
Yeah, sure. That's fine.
Hey, it's great to be back here. I mean, I've been a member from day one, but then I decided to go and build automated trading systems for some banks and some hedge funds, and that took up a lot of my time and effort. But I'm back here, and as soon as you guys can accept my damn Canadian credit card, I can sign up.
Yeah,
right?
He's having trouble signing up, Steve.
It's okay. I'll use an American card. All right, don't worry about it. I never thought about it. I'll get that done. Yeah, my background basically. This is a very long, complex presentation. I'm going to narrow it down to 30 minutes the best I can, guys. But my background is in investment banking. I was with Canaccord. I was doing deal flows and financing deal flows and taking companies public. I've dealt with all of them. I've dealt with Lehman Brothers, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, all of them. I know the guys really well. I've done, I can't remember, over 40 IPOs, so I'm very well known amongst the banking industry. And of course, when 2008 happened, I was in bed with Lehman Brothers, and ouch, you know.
Yeah.
But I've been a trader since I was 14 years old. My brother taught me trading way back then, and I just soaked it up, just read as much as I could, and then I was hooked. All right. So out here, basically, in Canada here, amongst my peers, I'm considered to be one of the best traders in Canada. And what I'll do, I don't want to sound arrogant, but it is what it is, right? If that's what they think of me, that's fine. But what I'll show you is one strategy, okay? And you guys could decide for yourself, okay? And I did this on TradingView. Can you see my screen, Dale?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I did this on TradingView because I noticed you guys really like this charting platform. And if you notice, this is the euro on the 3 hour, okay? These are custom-made indicators that I made, I think, about 11 years ago. Okay, these are, believe it or not, these are all RSIs. They don't look like it, but that's basically RSIs on moving average. This is RSIs on stochastics, and this is RSIs on a MACD embedded with a Williams percent oscillator. Okay, that doesn't matter. What matters is what everybody already knows. And Blake is an amazing trader, and I follow Blake a lot. But I really count on my robots. So what I've got on here, okay, on an actual trading platform though, like if you guys are using Oanda, Pepperstone, Forex.com, Alpari, whatever you're using an MT4 or an MT5 platform, right? So I will have a detection robot on the 4 hour or the 3 hour chart, okay? And this is called my Trend Wizard setup, okay? This robot does not do a trade, okay? What it's doing is as you can see, the trend's changing here, definitely confirmed here. And we could see, well, these little things are in the way. It's confirmed. I still do not take this trade, guys, okay? I wait for the pullback and I still do not take this trade. And the reason why I don't is because I have my trading robots are sitting on the 1 hour chart. Okay, not here. That's a detection robot. It's gone on alert as soon as this happens. I've heightened actually these candles so you can see easy. And right here, basically, as soon as this happens, the alert goes off on here. My 1 hour robot and my 15-minute chart robots both become active. And they're basically now looking to go long. Now, just to break it down, for $100,000 account, I trade 10 lots. But for in this case, I'm not sure how big the traders are here. For a $10,000 lot, $10,000 account, you should not be trading over one lot, okay? Even half a lot, I think, is okay. But let's go with a lot here. So I'm sitting here watching this, and as soon as my 1 hour and my 15-minute robot activate a one lot trade going long, guess what I do? I come in with 3 lots. I just hit a home run.
Okay. So yeah, so really what you're doing here is, because I know you've been a discretionary trader, even though you've, you know, used robots for a long time, a lot of your stuff. And, you know, like for myself as well, I have a hard time just turning over capital to a robot because, you know, maybe I'm a control freak and it's hard for me to let go. Right. But you use them for both. You use them for detecting trades and then entering trades, and then you have your discretion to do it on your own, which is kind of a blend of using robots, EAs, and being a subjective discretionary trader. Kind of blended that.
Okay. Exactly. It's
all right.
Like, even if I just put on 0.1 lots for the robots, make it really, really safe. And as soon as they fire, I come in and I load up. I put lots of lots on. Use max leverage, right, Dale? Yeah,
use max leverage. Turn
those were my lyrics.
$500 into turn $500 into 10K, or watch it go away. Yeah,
exactly. Right. It's the same scenario here. We have confirmation, we have confirmation, we have confirmation, and I still don't take the trade. Once those robots on the 15-minute and the 1 hour activate a short position, now I add big here, right? Maybe it's here, maybe it's here. Wherever it is, I add big and boom, I'm out, right? So trying to catch this, a grand slam home run from here to here or from here to here on a long, boy, that's hard to do, guys. That's, we get them once in a while, right? Yeah. But these base hits is all I focus on, and we get them every week, especially in this market since May, right? It's been an amazing market. I mean, it's sad what's going on in the world, but as for the volatility in the market, it's been bang on. Okay. So why don't I show you the 1 hour and the 15-minute robot? Here's what I'm going to surprise you with. It does not, like, you hire a coder to do this like I used to do and have it properly tested. It takes anywhere to 4 to 6 weeks to do. We're going to do it in 15 minutes. We're actually going to build it. Okay. Let's get off of here. And this is my business partner, guys.
All right. So you're going to have to do a new share if it's not on the same screen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because we're still looking at the Trend Wizard 3 hour detection room. So all you have to do is click the share screen again, or there's a new share right next to it, new share, and then share the other screen you want. Or
that's a VPN I'm on. So why didn't I go? Boy, I should have known this. Hey, why didn't I go here? Excuse me. Why didn't I go here? We won't be able to build it, but I've already got them built, I hope.
You could go to your website and do it.
All right.
So there's Jess's site.
Okay, guys. So I can't go on my VPN. That's how I build robots, and it takes about 15 minutes to 20 minutes to build an actual robot rather than 3 to 6 weeks, all right?
Yeah, and so DJ's asking, do you have a stop loss protocol?
Yeah, we have. That's what I was going to show you, and hopefully I can just do it from this website. We could show you all of that, and the criteria is, we will set the criteria when we build the robot, And I know I only got 30 minutes or less than that now. I'm going to get to it and then I'll answer questions.
Okay.
And we have a whole team of people ready to answer your questions too. We all love F.A.C.E. So listen, we've been around 10 years, guys. That's not a fly-by-night company, okay? We've had over 25,000 traders buy our robots and even our licenses, okay? We have a huge forum, okay, that you can access. There's hundreds of traders on there every day. They share their results and everything. Careful of the cowboys. There are guys that go for the 50%, 100% returns in a month. That's not what we give you when we build the robots for you, okay? We don't do that. I've tried every robot in the market. I've probably tried over 600 robots, and they've all failed. They have never met my criteria, okay? We have a lot from the US. We understand the FIFO laws that you cannot hedge. I think 20% of our traders are from the US, okay? Mostly from Europe. So let me take you to the robot builder, okay? And this is free, guys. You guys can go use it. Take your indicators, take your strategies, okay? Like look at Dale's 3-drive formation. I'm gonna build that robot for Dale, okay? And we're gonna find out what the RSI readings really should be. Should it be 14 on a 4-hour chart? Maybe it shouldn't be. Maybe it's 16, maybe it's 12. How about on a 1-hour chart? Is that RSI reading really supposed to be 14? Maybe it's 28, maybe it's 21. How about
So
on
you
15?
can basically you could optimize what already works. Okay.
Exactly.
All right.
Okay, so we're in trouble. So because it's on my VPN, I didn't find one, but I'm going to take you through it right away. So I was talking about the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart, okay? I'm going to use premium data. So it's important that we get the data of your broker if you're using, whoever you're using. Doesn't matter what broker it is in the world. We got to get the data put in properly. It's a long process, but it's very easy. We have video tutorials and we have text step by step, okay? So I want to find Euro US dollars, 1 hour strategies. I'm just going to start this and I'm going to take you through what it is we go look for, all right? The properties, I'm looking at 0.1 lots. On stop loss, I'm saying don't use and take profit because I'm looking for a conditional entry and a conditional out. Of course, we're going to be using stop loss and take profits, okay? But what's most important here, so that's going to be running for three minutes. I should have put it for more. That's the amount of indicators entries. Right here is important. You go to the acceptance criteria, make sure when you guys go onto the site, like I said, it's free to use, right? And the tutorials are right there, and we have a full staff there to help you through everything. Let's say you're in the US, you use US dollars, it's a $10,000 account, your leverage is 1 in 50, okay? That's key that you plug that in. The rest, leave it as default, okay? Symbol settings, again, depending if it's Oanda, use them. I'm using premium data here from Decoscopy. Acceptance criteria, leave it as default for now. Okay, this is all explained. Everything is explained by video tutorials on the site. Okay, and here's your indicators. You can go through here. These are all the indicators on your MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms of your broker. Okay. All of them are there, stochastics, RSIs, MACDs, moving average. What this is doing right now while we're talking, that generator is cross-referencing as many indicators against each other with the different parameters, okay? So there's infinite possibilities here. And it's looking for a winning combination of indicators to create a strategy for you, okay? That's one of the most important features.
What a time saver.
Oh,
if you're into this type of stuff, what a time saver.
Yeah.
I mean, how much time did you spend to code and build a robot before this?
Used to take me, because I'm quite advanced at it, plus I hired some of the best guys in the world, it would take us about 3 to 6 weeks. Now It takes me about 3 days to do it.
Okay.
2.5 to 3 days, right? See, look at all the stuff that's already generated here. Let's go back to the generator. So everything that's generated will go into the collection. I left this quite open, okay, guys? I left this quite open on purpose so that we would get lots of them. let's go back, see this. Let's go to the collection. So here you go. You are not going to see, when you go buy these crazy robots on the market, you're not going to see nice, clean, curve-fitted lines, okay? You're going to see all this crazy stuff, and it's going to show you, well, that would be your return, the drawdown, a bit high, right?
Yeah.
Return per drawdown, and the number of trades that it had taken, right? Then you can go in. So you go through all of these, and you're going to eliminate, like that. You're going to eliminate crap like this, right? You're going to eliminate the really ugly looking ones. But let's just pick one right now. How about we pick this one? I think this one looks possibly the best. Once you pick that, you go in here, you go and see, what did this strategy do? Well, it's using the demarker as an entry to go long, and it will be the opposite if you're doing short, okay?
Is a demarker Tom DeMark stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
It uses all the
Wow.
indicators. It uses every indicator in MT4
Yeah.
in your broker. So let's push that. Let's see what it says. A demarker crosses the level line down, and it's using a period of 16, but look at the level line. It says the best level line is not 0.00, it's 0.038, guys. All right? That's our entry. Our exit, there's two conditions that both must be met. The stochastic line higher than the signal line, and that's the period of the stochastics that they recommend to use, okay? And then you have, of course, the RSI. And they're saying the period of the RSI, if the RSI is higher than the level line is 61 here, not 50. And the period is 33, not 14, okay? All right, so now we have a robot. This is what I call just a nugget. Now we go beat the hell out of this thing. That's the key, all right? This is not good enough to ever give to any of our clients or us to use, right? And how do we beat it? Beat it up? We punch it first, then we kick it, then kitchen sink. Let's go punch it. So as soon as you go into walk forward, I'm going to start it because this takes a few minutes. What it's doing is it's taking those indicators and their conditions and their parameters, and it's running it here. And now Dale comes and buys this robot from us, let's say, or Dale creates this robot. We want to see, okay, it shows it's profitable in this time segment. And that's probably 3 months because we divide it into 5 time segments. We want to see, hey, let's see if Dale makes money in the first 3 months. And then Blake might say, hey, Dale, that was awesome. I'm going to come in and buy it. Okay, so it passed. And you go up here, and there it is. 1 is validated out of 5. I must have 4 out of 5 in order for me to say, so far this robot is withstanding turbulent markets, okay? So now Blake bought it, okay? That's kind of hope it doesn't fail here. So Dale tells Blake, and Blake buys it at this time. Oh man, did it ever make a good profit? Boom, he's happy. So now he goes and tells Steve. Now Steve's going to come and buy it, right? So we do not optimize a robot. We optimize it after it's run. Then we go back in time and optimize it, right? So Steve's happy too. He's also in the profit. Wow, this is rare, guys, that I do this on the first time. Now Stelios bought it, and Stelios is
poor Stel. Yeah.
Stelios is like, bullshit, man. Where is that Jess? I'm gonna go find him. I lost money there.
Yeah. Okay.
So we've only passed on 3 out of 5. So we have one more test here. If it's 4 out of 5, we move forward. Okay. And this, we're doing this on the fly. There we go. We've got a winning robot. After we've punched it, it won. It won 4 out of 5 segments of time. Now let's take it to the casino. Okay. This is where we now kick it.
You're increasing leverage.
Nope, not increase. No, what we're doing is we're creating very rough waters in the market for the euro.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, so it's not.
We don't want to know what it does in a really nice trending environment. We want to know, can this withstand really hard jolts in the market, like you know, the limit downs.
Yeah, tape bombs. Tape bombs. Right? Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to go over to the casino, right? And I'm just glossing over everything, guys, because of my time. Now, I need at least 15 out of 20 passes here. And you might say, well, what is this casino? What is it doing? It looks like it's already failed. It's failed. So yeah, calculated 20, and it looks like they all passed, doesn't it? What happened here? Let's start it again. Oh, you know what? I didn't put my criteria. There we go. We're going to say, sorry, guys, because I'm not doing this on my VPN where everything's already set.
Okay.
Give me one more second. So we're
People are
say,
going to have time. People are going to have time to go back.
Thank you very much, guys. I'm sorry for going fast. This is what I like to do. I'd like to go in and randomize these because I know my brokers. They don't skip my orders. The slippage is fine. Now, if you're with an offshore broker, guys, I highly advise that, but I highly not advise it. Jeez. I use Oanda. I use Forex.com. I'm not a big fan of them, but they insure me up to $1 million. That's one of the reasons I use them. Okay. So what I like to do is say, let's just change these indicators settings, period. Okay.
Yeah.
And then let's just throw it in anywheres and let's see how it performs. Rather than having time segments of 3 months, throw it in anywheres. Okay. And usually this fails here, right? This is where we kick it. We punched it already. It passed, surprisingly, because I just created it. We just found it together, by the way. So failed. Okay. We only validated 6 out of 20. Now what I do is I scrap it and I go back to the generator and I start again. Okay. But I'm going to move you forward one more time. Once we do this, let's say it passed here. We go over here. And now what we do is say, okay, just to make sure it's not over optimized, because that looks too good right here. Let's just say, how does it perform against other instruments? And we need a 50% pass on it. Okay. And this is a quick test. It goes like this. So I need, 3 out of 6. And so against other instruments, you could see it was profitable with 3 of them, with 2 of them, 3 of them, and whatever, but it doesn't matter because we've already lost it. We will not use this robot because it failed the Monte Carlo. Okay. All right.
How about the lost in space test?
The what?
Lost in space test.
Danger.
By Danger, Will Robinson. That one.
That's a private joke, guys.
Okay. Anyway.
But let's just say we passed the punch test, right? We passed the casino kick test, and we passed the kitchen sink test. Boy, I'll tell you, you're so happy when that happens, okay? Then what you do is you go over here, right? Go over to Expert Advisor, right? If you're on MT4, go like this. There it is, right?
You've got your
like
robot.
this.
Yeah.
Oh, I might have hit it too soon. It didn't quite load. Yeah, okay, there's the code.
That loads right onto your account.
This is the shit I used to, excuse my language. This is the shit I used to do. Oh, here I go again. I'm so sorry, guys.
That's all right.
So
You're
basically,
just being you. Yeah.
Yes. I get excited. This is a first shot and we almost had one, So basically what it is you go into the folder and there it is. Okay. EA Studio, Euro US dollar, 1 hour robot, right? You copy and paste that. And unfortunately I can't show my accounts because they're on a VPN, right? And all you do is you copy and paste this, guys, back, just go copy, boom. And you go over to your MT4 terminal and you go into experts and you paste it in there and then you move it onto your chart. Unfortunately, I can't show you that right now. Plus we're running out of time. That part's easy. We have videos and everything for it, right?
All right. Well, Al is saying this is amazing. And, I know when someone's doing an interview, most people stuck around to hear you, Jess. So maybe we should go to the best way if they have an interest. And you said that they could try it out for free. There's like a trial. And what's the best way for people to reach you and get involved?
Well, not to be rude, I'm dealing with the commercial clients, guys. My background's with the hedge funds and banks and stuff, but we have a whole team of guys there. I mean, the best robot trader is Petko Alexandrov. He's my partner. He's there. They're all waiting for you guys. They'll do anything for you, believe me. And then the greatest developer in the world is definitely Miroslav Popov that I've gone.
Do you have a link? I could post it.
Yeah, how do I get, where am I, Dale? Where how do I get?
You're on Face.
Yeah, I know, but how do I?
All right, in those, just paste it in webinar chat. It should be on
Okay.
your.
Can I just very quickly just show you guys the courses?
Yeah,
So
go
that-
ahead.
Yeah, I'll just quickly show you the courses. You go right here. Okay. The way we do it is the guys are saying, no, we're not just giving them the robots. They gotta read through and take a little test, then they can have the robot. I'm going, no, it doesn't work that way. All right.
There's Petco.
These are all the courses. When we say courses, these are the robots that are embedded in the courses. Okay, guys? These are not expensive compared to the price of crappy, scammy robots that are out there. These are like $200, $300 US. But you guys cannot hedge in the United States. I would advise you not to take any of these, okay? These are hedging robots. But go ahead and try the system. I'll show you where to go to try it. And when you're interested, when you click on any of these are the three I recommend: the top 10 euro, the top 10 pound, and the top 5. That's a combination. That's euro, pound, yen, and so on and so on. So, okay. Those are the top three, the first three that for US clients I recommend. Okay. The others, leave that alone for now. So basically, if you want to get licensed, it's on the pricey side, but honestly, it's not, because oh, by the way, those 30% off those courses, guys. When you go, and if you do order them down the line after you try it out for a few weeks, just put in F.A.C.E 30. I'll put that in the chat when I have the time, right? And also basically the software, it's right here. Okay. Again, I already reduced the price on the software. Okay. You put in F.A.C.E 10. We're over there. We'll tell you what to do if you decide to purchase. But right now, we want you to just use it for free. Okay, guys? And it's really simple. No credit cards, nothing like that. Just go on over there. Go to EA Studio. Don't go to FSV Pro. That is the for commercials. Okay, the big guys. All right. That's Petco right there. He teaches you everything step by step. All right. We also have it all in text, right? And just sign up here, and you're good to go. Now, Dale, how did you say I get back into?
Well, in the why don't you put the
stop
link
share, right? Is it stop share I hit?
Yeah, stop share. Okay, so on the right-hand side, maybe you'll see underneath participants, and there'll be a chat underneath it.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right. Oh, okay. Excellent. Wow.
Yeah, just
First
put
time
it
on
in
Zoom.
chat for all.
I like it.
You
I
did
like
okay,
it.
buddy.
So I'm just gonna post my website, guys, and then your coupons are there. But definitely take it for a ride. This is basically a Ferrari. Even if you're not a robot person, okay? Take your indicators and test them. And in 2 weeks, you can make your own robots, take them home. But after 2 weeks, you won't be able to download it, but you can use the tester anytime you want for the rest of your life. You don't have to pay for it. It's free. All right. I don't know if you see the website and my info there in the chat.
No, it's not in. I don't see it in. Maybe you put it in Q&A. Let me see. No, I don't see it anywhere. You want to put in Zoom webinar chat, paste, and enter it. Right now, I don't see it.
Okay, let me try it one more time. It's
at the bottom where it says to all panelists, or you could put it on Skype and I'll enter it.
It's not participants, is it? No.
Why don't you just put the link on Skype and I'll enter it for you.
Oh, okay. That's a great idea. Where's my Skype now? There it is. Is that you, Dale? That's Dale. There you go. All right.
Okay, buddy. Really interesting presentation. And there, Richard posted it, and I'll post it again. There you go.
Thank you so much, guys. It's so nice to be back here, and one of the best rooms on the internet. And like I said, this complements your trading. Like when I see Blake going long on the euro, and if my robots have fired long, oh my God, you won't believe how many lots I add to that position.
Yeah. Yeah. So you're intelligence gathering with humans and machines.
Yeah, and it complements so nicely, you know. I mean,
and you don't have to pay workers' comp if any of your robots break down or fall off.
We got a big crew, mate. We got big, large systems. We watch our robots like hawks, you know, because we use them. All of our employees, we use our own robots, and we make money off of it, right? And we've been doing it for 10 years. There's no complaints in the chat, right?
So, yeah, that's I'll call Guinness on that one, Guinness Book of World Records. So thank you, Jess Singh, and everyone. Thanks for hanging out, listening to Jess, and have a great day the rest of the day, and we'll wrap it up. We're going to go from robots to planets tomorrow with Norm Linsky. So don't say I don't. So don't say I don't bring you a variety of methodologies.
Thank you so much, man. It's great to be back. Money. Have a great day, guys.
All right, everyone. That's Midas Jess Singh at Midas FX. Is that your that's your Twitter handle, right?
I don't do Twitter, mate. I don't do anything.
I know.
I don't
do
Facebook.
Okay. All right. So anyway, this is where you find them. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. Remember, don't just count your robots, count your blessings. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. Adios. Thanks, Jess.
Cheers, guys.